All right, guys, we've got the Mitakis, Mitakis Plaque Remover Tartar Remover Kit. It's got 5 adjustable modes. It's got 2 replaceable heads. This is an actual dentist quality plaque remover. So it's very cool. I messed around with it, tried it for myself, and I can tell you it works. And it feels and even sounds just like the dentist. So what you have is you have a USB-C charger. All you do is plug that into the bottom, plug the other end into a USB port or adapter to plug into your wall. That's how easy it is to charge. It comes with a nice little cover here. When you're not using it, you can just cover it up. The head, it comes with 2 of these heads. This is the head. It's the same kind of head you'd find in a dentist office. And all it does is it just screws on to the device itself, just like this. That's how easy it is to use. So you can get dentist grade. See, there it is. Just going to put it back on there. And that's the head. Now, before I show you it real quick, turn it on, you've also got a tongue scraper. So this is like surgical grade stuff here. This is going to keep your tongue clean, get all the residue and gunk off of there. That can also if you don't clean your tongue, it can incorporate into like bad breath and stuff like that. So when you clean your tongue, it's better. You've also got the mirror. If you want to be in your mirror looking to make sure you're getting the right spot. You also even have the pick tool that you get at the dentist office as well, that you can do manually if you want to get the tartar and plaque off manually. But assuming you want to use the device itself, this is how easy it is to turn on. You can tell it's on when that light's going. And then what you have here is you have different modes. You have soft, comfort, middle, strong, and super strong. And the way you can tell it's working is when you touch it to the corner of your teeth where you're going to get that plaque off, you actually feel it. It makes that laser sound the same way when you go to the dentist office. So hopefully you guys can hear that right there. That's how you know it's working. And I can actually feel it blasting that area. It's not like it hurts or anything, but you can feel it blasting that tartar off. So if you, at the end of the day, if you want a plaque remover just to have at your house that you can do yourself the same way they do it at the dentist, I can tell you this device does exactly what it says it does.